Alright folks, welcome back to the Wanneroo channel. Hope everybody's doing great. Today we're doing another video with our Powerhorse here. And we have quite a project to clean up this back porch. This concrete's about 20 years old. As you can see, we got a lot of mold and green stuff growing and dirt and all kinds of stuff, especially worse or not so great back here in this corner. Got lichen and all this other stuff growing. So we're going to use a couple different products. We have the Crud Cutter concrete cleaner that's already in our pump sprayer right there. So we're going to go ahead and apply that. We'll use that, and then also with our Powerhorse here, we have our Generac pressure washer as well. So I did a review on this about 2 years ago, and it's proved to be an excellent pressure washer. So check out the review on that. I'll put a link down below, and let's go ahead and get started. And somebody wants to come out and join us, but they can't. Not today, little girl. Alright folks, so we just got finished with the first two tiles here, and what a mega difference. All that lichen and moss is now gone. Everything's looking pretty good, and you can see the difference with this tile over here. Look at all that dirt we still have to get with the Powerhorse, and then a lot of the trash I went ahead and pushed down that way. So one of the things too, once you go over it with the Powerhorse here, the other thing is just get the pressure washer, the regular wand, and just go over everything to just kind of give it a good rinse and get all the excess dirt and push it away to wherever you want to push it to. So yeah, looking pretty good. I'm liking it. Alright folks, so here we are a day later. Everything has dried up. We used our Powerhorse to good effect. Got up tons of dirt and mold and moss and all kinds of crap. And yeah, now the concrete here is squeaky clean. No dirt on it, no moss, nothing. Looking good. The shadows might make it look darker than it is. Sun's now starting to go down, but like right here where the sun's at, everything's looking good. Back here in the corner, all of the mold and lichen and all that crap is gone. And I'll tell you, yesterday whenever I was rinsing it off in different sections, there was a heck of a lot of dirt and crap that came up that I pushed all the way off the porch and then out of here into the grass outside the fence. So got tons of dirt up. Everything is looking good. Yeah, this Powerhorse is a beast. It used to take me about 2 to 3 days of pressure washing to get this back porch. I can now basically get it done within a couple hours, no problem even taking breaks and stuff, and just works awesome. So we'll probably be doing some more videos on it here soon. We have one big culvert to actually clean out with this, and also a picnic area that needs a good cleaning. So we'll probably do some more videos on it in the future. But if you're interested in purchasing this, check out the Amazon link below. And also, I'll put a link to the review I did on this a couple years ago as well, so you can check that out too. Anyways, thanks folks, and we'll see you next time.